Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox on Linux Mint 22 OS. Open terminal. First update the packages. Sudo apt update. All are up to date. Now install it. Sudo apt get install VirtualBox. Hit enter. Type Y and hit enter. See, it is installing 7.0.16. Control A, we have successfully installed. Let us verify. Click on menu. Then search for VirtualBox. See here we have the VirtualBox. Click on it. See, if you want to create new virtual machine, click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. Then you have to provide all the details. Then you have to attach the ISO. Okay. So this is the way to create virtual machine. So in this video we have seen how to install VirtualBox on Linux Mint 22 operating system. For more videos please subscribe my channel. Thank you.